This case study appeared in my PL 300 exam. This question is part of a series of questions that present the same scenario. Each question in the series contains a unique solution that might meet the stated goals. Some question sets might have more than one correct solution, while others might not have a correct solution. After you answer a question in this section, you will not be able to return to it. As a result, these questions will not appear in the review screen. Question 1. You have a clustered bar chart that contains a measure named salary as the value and a field named employee as the axis. Salary is present in the data as a numerical amount representing US dollars. You need to create a reference line to show which employees are above the median salary. Solution. You create an average line by using the salary measure. Does this meet the goal? Correct answer is no. Question 1. Explanation. Creating an average line shows the average salary, not the median salary. Question 2. You create a constant line by using the salary measure and set its value to 0.5. Does this meet the goal? Correct answer is no. Question 2. Explanation. Creating a constant line with a value of 0.5 only creates a line at salary value of 0.5, not the median salary. Question 3. You create a percentile line by using the salary measure and set the percentile value to 50%. Does this meet the goal? Correct answer is yes. Question 3. Explanation. Creating a percentile line with a value of 50% shows the reference line with median salary. 50th percentile is the median, as it represents the middle value of a dataset. Question 4. You create a median line by using the salary measure. Does this meet the goal? Correct answer is yes. Question 4. Explanation. Creating a median line shows the reference line with median salary.